What if I told you that the sand at your favorite beach and the device you're using to watch this video share a common element? Peculiar, isn't it? But it's true. Meet silicon, an unassuming element present in abundance yet critical to our digital existence. It's in the sand beneath our feet, the glass in our windows, and the chips powering our devices. It's everywhere, quietly shaping our lives. Yes, silicon, the second most abundant element on Earth, is the unsung hero of our digital age. So, how exactly does silicon play this crucial role in our tech-centered lives? Let's delve into the essence of this element. Silicon, the second most abundant element on Earth, is the tech world's best friend. It is the superstar in the production of semiconductors, which are the heart and soul of most electronic devices. Semiconductors are the traffic controllers of electricity, regulating the flow of electric current. And silicon, with its 4 valence electrons, is a perfect candidate for this job. When crafted into a crystal lattice, silicon's structure makes it an ideal platform for controlling and directing electric charges. This, in turn, allows us to manipulate information in devices from smartphones to supercomputers. Furthermore, silicon's high heat resistance and abundance make it not only practical but also cost-effective, thus further solidifying its place in technology. Without silicon, we wouldn't be able to enjoy the convenience and connectivity of our beloved devices. But silicon isn't just a key player in our current technology, it's also paving the way for future advancements. Imagine a world where the sun's energy powers everything, from our homes to our cars. This isn't merely a pipe dream, but a potential reality thanks to silicon. Solar panels, the harbingers of renewable energy, rely heavily on silicon. It's the photovoltaic cells in these panels, composed of silicon, that convert sunlight into electricity. As we march towards a greener future, the demand for silicon in solar technology is set to skyrocket. And let's not forget the exciting realm of quantum computing. This futuristic technology promises to solve complex problems at speeds that could make our current computers look like snails. Again, silicon could be the hero of this story. Researchers are exploring silicon's potential in creating quantum bits, or qubits, the fundamental units of quantum computing. These qubits, unlike the binary bits of traditional computing, can exist in multiple states at once, opening up a whole new world of possibilities. Ongoing research and development continue to uncover new ways to leverage silicon's unique properties. It's the key to unlocking a future where technology is more efficient, more powerful, and more sustainable. So the next time you pick up your smartphone or log onto your computer, remember the role silicon plays in making that possible. It truly is the most valuable element of new technology.